zucchini coming in. Our arugula, some radishes growing on. Cabbage coming in soon. Our salad bar has been a little decimated. Arugula's got to get harvested soon. Oh my goodness, where did this guy come from? That's out of nowhere. Holy shnikes. Anything else sneaking up on us over here? We got some beans. Some peas coming in. How about some strawberries? Any strawberries yet? Ooh, there's a little baby. Let's go. Potatoes are coming in. I don't know if our sunflowers are gonna get enough sun back there to come popping up, hopefully. Cilantro's bolted. More peas. Put up some suet and a hummingbird feeder. Potato lane or clover's coming in nicely on that side. Once that comes in, we'll do the other side. Oh, there's a little zucchini coming in there. Let's go. How's our grow stock doing? Lots and lots. Got some runners we got to pull off. Alright, get rid of these guys. Give it a little bit of a twist here once I get both arms back. The sun hit different places. Uh-oh. Alright, look at this runner. So these guys can be planted and you'll get more strawberries. Let's just stick this guy up here for right now. Uh-oh. Let's see if he'll work. Put you in there. Put you just down in the dirt there. Let's see what happens. Alright, here's the grapes. Grapes coming. Let's see here, some babies. Any bigger ones? Not yet. What about the strawberries? Oh, look at that guy. Coming in. Messy area over here. These get cleaned up. There's our berries. Raspberries and one blackberry. Flowers. More peas. I obviously did not trellis them high enough. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Oh, let's go. Oh, look at that guy. Oh, how's that for breakfast? Holy moly. These peas, I planted them very thick. Really trying for max yield, min space. Alright, this guy's got to come get put up here. Oh, that's weird. Oh, that's that flower. That leaf, I mean. Any cukes coming on in here? Not yet, so I'm going to come clean these guys up all around the base. Tie them up. So we got our beans coming in. Tomatoes need to be pruned a little bit. Get those suckers off of there. Same with the cucumbers. More beans. Basil, lots of flowers. Brussels sprouts starting to grow. And the little buds there on the stalk, on the stem. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Ooh, look at that. We have our first little baby broccoli. See, we cut the big broccoli off and now we're getting the little broccoli florets. Oh, look at, there's more. How cute. You have any going on over here? Yes. Oh, look at that guy. How cool. All right, hoop house. Those tomatoes are really enjoying the heat. Those peppers are coming on. Let's go. This broccoli needs to be harvested soon. See how it's kind of turning yellow even though it's small? These guys didn't do very well in here because we had their grow lights really low and they got leggy and then they just haven't done great. So cukes are liking that trellis mesh. Getting some blueberries. Gotta figure out if we need to feed these guys or what. Kick them off. This rose bush is not doing well. It's producing a couple yellows. I mean reds. Our yellow one's doing better, but not great. We got zucchini over here we need to stake up. You can see he's growing on the ground. He needs to start getting trellised up and trimmed. Transgendia's doing well. These guys might need some water. Look at these guys, all three purple, all three colors, pink, green, and purple.